Ahmmed. One of them said that without money you cannot buy love. Sorry, you cannot buy love, but without money your love will be finished. So I would like to honor our honorable teachers and also all teachers there are present here. So I would like to honor all of you, and I would like to choose the topic like that topic that already people that talk like money is the root of all happiness. I would like to stay in 180 degree opposite, because I think certain amount of money is root of happiness in my perspective. And actually it's a hypothetical question and really deep question, so it's very difficult to talk in a different way, I can say. So I think certain amount of money is important to be happy in the new society, because if you don't have money, your girlfriend will be married to another person. So you understand that the importance of money. Those who understand the importance of money, that the girlfriend they are married with another person because they don't have a job, you don't have money, you don't have business. So you know that what is the happiness without money. And those who know that the happiness, what is happiness, those who have no much money. And I think it's a romantic question for those who have huge money. And they're actually this person who actually said that money is nothing. Money is nothing, but we are looking for the good person. But actually they know that without money it's not possible. They're just asking this question, or they're saying that it's okay to have huge money. They're actually rich men. So they don't have need money. They need happiness. But we are poor people, we are middle class people. So we know that we know that the importance of money. So I think certain amount of money is happiness. It's a root of happiness, because certain amount of money we can buy our demanding our a lot of products or anything that we can buy if we have the certain amount of money. So I think that certain amount of money is root of all happiness in my perspective. But it's a hypothetical question, so I know that actually you cannot buy happiness without using money, but without money actually you cannot be happy. In my perspective, I can say. So so I would like to finish right now, and actually I think all of you will perform.
Thank you.
Hey guys.